Students, see page number 64. I am reading our remaining paragraph. Thousands in different parts of the country broke the salt law. Mahatma Gandhi ji, he started civil disobedience movement and he broke salt law. After that, thousands people, so many people, they broke salt law, manufactured salt and demonstrated in front of government salt factories. After manufacturing, they showed in front of, means they showed their anger by manufacturing salt in front of the government salt factories. As the movement spread, the civil disobedience movement spread out. Foreign cloth was boycotted. Now opposing to foreign goods also started, and liquor shops were picketed. Now liquor shop means wine shops were closed. Peasants refused to pay revenue. Now farmers, they refused to pay revenue as well as the chowkidari taxes. Village officials resigned. Those who were the village officers, those who were working for the British government, now they resigned from their jobs. And in many places, forest people violated forest laws. Now, so many people, forest people, now they broke forest laws. How? Going into reserved forest to collect wood and graze cattle, by grazing cattle and by collecting wood. Now they broke the forest laws. Now students, see this paragraph, this one. Worried by the developments, the colonial government began arresting the Congress leaders one by one. Now British government started to arrest our leaders because of the worry. Worried by the developments means campaign became active. This led to violent clashes in many places. Now government started to repress, to control, to stop this activity. Now violent activities started when Abdul Ghaffar Khan, underline Abdul Ghaffar Khan, devote means here devoted, disciple means devoted to, disciple means student, follower, devoted follower of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, he was one of the follower of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Means he was arrested. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, he was arrested. In April 1930, after arresting, angry crowds demonstrated in the streets of Peshawar, facing armed cars and the police firing. Now violent activities started. Now people, they came on the streets and opposing and showing their angers against the British. Many were killed, so many people were killed. A month later, when Mahatma Gandhi himself was arrested, Mahatma Gandhi ji was also arrested. Industrial workers in Sholapur attacked police posts, municipal buildings, law courts and railway stations, all structures that symbolize British rule. All these were the symbol of the British rule. So all these buildings, officers, as well as the, we can say, the government offices were attacked by the people. A frightened government responded answer with a policy of brutal repression. Now repression crush. Peaceful satyagrahis were attacked by the Britishers. Women and children were beaten, and about 1 lakh people were arrested. Arresting started. Now student, remaining part we will see in next clip.